Total is the fourth largest gas and oil company in the world. We take pride in our customers and we are committed to better energy. We've sponsored the Swazi Frontier for the past 2 years and we have seen it grow year by year. We have been able to get energetic teams in the likes of Kevin and Grant that have been cycling on behalf of Total as the Total team in 2017. They have shown the commitment that we would like our customers or our employees or our associates to show. And us as Total, we take pride in that, in being able to be part of Swazi Frontier, to be part of the excitement, to be part of the enjoyment. And of course, our other priority is our environment. So if we can take people out to enjoy the fresh air, to enjoy the rivers, the waters, the birds singing, we always feel fulfilled. And that gives us great pleasure to understand and to hear people appreciating the race.